Hey guys, what's up? It's Kat, and as you can see, I'm in a little bit of a different location for today's video, and that's because we're going to be doing a baking video. I haven't done these in forever, and I think they're super fun because they're just kind of like chilling, hanging out with me, you know. So I just thought it would be fun to do, and currently it's snowing outside, and I just really want to be in the fall spirit, not the Christmas spirit. That is not okay at all. Thumbs down. So today we're going to be making brownies because they're my specialty, but spooky season edition. So yeah, without further ado, let's just hop into making the brownies. Hoo-hoo. Okay, first things first, I need to combine all the dry ingredients into a bowl because we're making these brownies from scratch, baby. Let's do it. Generally, my family, my sister is the baker, and I guess today I'm just kind of stealing her job. So, sorry, but not really sorry. But as I said, brownies are my specialty. They're what I do best at in life. So, if these don't turn out, it's going to be kind of awkward since I've already bragged to you about how good my brownie making skills are. And some cocoa powder. Oh, it's brand new. Brown sugar next. What should I talk about? Let's answer some questions you guys have probably been dying to know about. How's high school going for me? Pretty good. I would say it's basically like middle school, except like way bigger for me because the high school is huge. It's not really that much different for me, except that I don't have a lot of the same people in my classes as I did in middle. So yeah, it's pretty good, I guess. Now, while they're baking, like, be like, oh, baking soda. Go into the cupboard and look for it, and then forget whether or not you're looking for baking soda or baking powder. Because that happens to me literally every time I bake. I guess maybe I just have short-term memory loss or something. I don't know. Okay, so when recipes say to add a 1/4 teaspoon salt, like, what does that even do? Does that help anything? It's like 1 gram of salt in your brownie. I'm so confused. Now I'm gonna mix up all the dry ingredients, and I'm using a whisk to try and get out like those powdered sugar lumps that always get in powdered sugar things, if you know what I mean. I feel like I'm on a baking show. Oh dear, okay. I think that looks pretty good. Fact about me, I drink whole milk because I think it tastes good, so don't judge me. Don't unsubscribe, please. So now I gotta microwave up this bad boy. Oh, there it is. Okay, those look beaten. The final oh, this is some thick mix. Oh no. Okay. It's fine. Oh no. This is kind of a disaster, but oh no, okay. Well, that got a little messy. Oh,
so I got a cherry cake.
No. Double spatulas. Now it's time for the surprise. I'm gonna put M&Ms on here to make a pumpkin. Look at this beauty. Thumbnail. Oh, it's so cute, right?
Sure.
Here. Rude. I'm so proud of this.
Look what is I made.
That's good. See you in 26 minutes.